Mga kababayan, welcome sa aking YouTube channel That's My TV. Sa committee hearing ng Games and Amusement sa Senado niliwanag ng taga-PCSO kung bakit nagka-abereya ang machine noong Suertres Draw noong February 27, 2024, para tuluyan ang maibsan ng inyong agam-agam sa pagtaya ng loto. Mas magandang panuorin at pakinggan na lang po natin sila. Pero bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, mag-like at pindutin ang notification bell para hindi kayo mahuhuli sa mundo ng politika.
And now, let's proceed dito sa pinakabagong problema, yung tinatawag na glitch na noong February 27 sa Suertes Draw, in the initial winning combination of 197, na kung saan yung draw ay nagkaroon ng problema, prompting the PCSO to implement what it described during the live program as alternate procedures. Pwede ba malaman sa PCSO ano pong nangyari doon? Bakit nagka-problema doon sa pagbobola?
Mr. Chair, with your indulgence, may I call on AGM Arnel kasi siya po ang in charge ng gaming namin.
Okay. Nag-oath na ho ba si Agent Arnel? Okay. Sir, pakipaliwanag sa amin ano nangyari po noong February 27. Marami po ang gustong magkaroon ng impormasyon, kaalaman sa nangyari.
Good morning, Your Honor, Senator. So, during that time po, yung live draw operation namin at 2 p.m., yung isang draw machine namin, the first draw machine, kasi meron po kami 3 draw machine for the 3-digit game, was not able to capture yung numbered ball po natin. But the 2 draw machines po were able to capture or select yung numbered ball. So with that, Your Honor, we conducted per our approved procedure as ISO certified to do alternate draw procedure. So in-announce po na we encountered draw machine malfunction and we will do the alternate draw procedure.
Okay. So anong reason po ng malfunction?
Yung draw machine, meron po kasi yung tinatawag na latch for capturing yung ball. So once hindi po yun gumana, once nasa taas na po ang bola at hindi po na-capture ng latch, ang tendency po pag nawala yung pressure, babagsak po uli yung bola.
Yeah, I understand that, sir. Yes, pero di ba may tinatawag na pre-draw
yes, procedure? Your Honor. During pre-draw procedure, yung pong draw machine natin functioned well po.
And then all of a sudden, nagka-problema?
During live operation, dun po nagkaroon ng problem.
Does that happen regularly or this is the first time ever na nangyari ito sa history po ng 3-digit games? You said, was it 2 3-digit games, right?
For the 3-digit game, Your Honor.
Yeah, regardless, 2-digit, 3, 4, 5, 6, is this the first time?
For other games, if I'm not mistaken, Your Honor, around 5 times na po since we
5 times na?
Since 1995.
Okay.
5 or 4 times.
Okay. Bakit nag-off-air yung live streaming while the machine was being fixed?
It's part of our procedure, Your Honor, that after announcing that we have this machine malfunction, we will put the broadcast on standby and then we will broadcast again recapping yung recorded video during the alternate draw procedure. Recorded po ito lahat, Your Honor.
I know, I understand. Pero di ba dapat, since live yung ginawa nyo sa pagdodraw in the beginning, when it all started, dapat live din yung ginawa nyong pag-fix sa problema para makita ng taong bayan kung ano nangyari habang ito'y pinifix and how did you fix it. I think the public, especially the betting public, has the right to know.
We are now improving the draw procedure, Your Honor. There's a provision for continual improvement sa ISO namin. And with that recommendation, Your Honor, we will include po yung...
Okay, so next time, pag may mga glitch na nangyaring gano'n, nagkaroon ng malfunction, kailangan huwag kayo mag-off-air, continue sa pagbobola live. Kasi pag nag-off-air kayo, again, nagkukuroon naman po ng pagdududa yung betting public, yung publiko. Kasi the more na kayo po ay nagtatago, para sa akin, para may tinatago kayo because nag-off-air kayo, the more magdududa yung taong bayan. So next time,
Yes, Your Honor.
sana pero,
Do that.
sana wala namang yan next time.
Ano nga po?
We want to see it live. How is it being fixed? Anong klaseng remedyo yung ginawa nyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for that. Anong pangalan niyo po, sir? Pwede pa malagay ang pangalan, sir?
AGM Arnel Casas po, Your Honor.
AGM Arnel Casas,
Gaming sector.
Gaming Sector. Okay, sige, thank you po.